Hey friends, it's me, Danny. I wanted to come on and just take a minute to tell you about a situation that I've become aware of in the last few days. And I'm hoping that you'll watch this video to the end. It's only going to be just a few minutes, but I want to let you know about this situation and I'm hoping that we can come together and maybe help out. Many months ago, I did a live interview with Dr. Dan Hall. Just an incredible guy. He has a YouTube channel called Daily Language Learning. It's a great channel. You should check it out. But Dan and I did an interview and we had a great time. And after that, I was made aware of a situation. Dan has a lung condition that is, by definition, it's terminal. And so, you know, it takes a while in the United States for treatments to be approved. And so there is a treatment that's out there, but it's not available in the US yet. So he is going out on a limb and he's trying to get this treatment done outside of the United States. And the entire cost is out of his own pocket. But this treatment could stop the situation and just prolong his life for so much longer. And so I wanted to tell you about this, and I want you to click, there's a link below, and I'd like to encourage you to click that link. You can read all about Dan's story. You can read what caused it during his time in the military. And you can read, also see a little video of the day in the life of Dan when he was in the military, so it's really cool. But you can read all about what he's going through, what he's gonna have to do, and there's a place where you can donate. And I just want to encourage you, no matter how much, whatever it is that you can give, I ask you to please donate to Dan's treatment, because we're talking about a life here. And you know, I know there are lots of people in the world, but to each person, that life is very important. And so this is very important to Dan because it's his life we're talking about. His one and only life. And so I want to just ask you to please read his story, click that link below. And if you can help, I ask you to please dig deep and just give anything you can. I would just so appreciate it. Dan's a great guy. But I'd appreciate your consideration, and thank you for your support for me and for Dan. And I'll be talking to you very soon. See you later.